Okay, I'm gonna start explaining the 402 VLZ4 Mackie Mixer. In the handbook or the user's manual, you can find this schematic, and they are all the features, all the inputs and outputs, and controls are numbered. So number 1 and 2, it's the power switch and the power input, which is a DC power supply. Then on number 3, you have 2 inputs, the 4 microphones, and these kind of inputs are known as XLR, and so you can connect the microphones here. Or if your microphone doesn't have an XLR cable, you can use a passive cable. Okay, the XLR cables, many times these microphones need what we call phantom power. Phantom power is the power that the mixer delivers to the microphone. So the phantom power is right here, this switch. So you can activate it or deactivate it. So you have these 2 channels. The gain is the maximum gain you can give to these channels. It is given in decibels. So this is used to protect your output speakers. The speakers must be connected right here. So that's why many times you set it to the middle point, which is around 30 decibels. Then you have for line 1 or channel 1, you also have here the feature number 5, which is a low pass or high pass filter, which cuts the frequency to avoid having feedback on the microphones. So if you're using microphones, it's better that you activate this switch or this switch, depending on which microphones you're using, which lines. And line 6 is when you have instruments like a guitar or bass or any other instrument that has a passive output. Passive output means that device doesn't have a battery, a power supply. So when the signal is too weak, you have to press these push buttons, number 6 right there, to increase the gain of those devices, of those instruments. The equalizer for channel 1 is right here, the high frequency, low frequency, and this is a volume level for channel 1, volume level for channel 2, also with the high and low frequencies. The lines 3 and 4, these are inputs, so you can use it for stereo channels, left and right, or in like a keyboard. Okay, and you can also hook up, you only connect a keyboard, you can also connect it here and there, and then you select the stereo if you're going to have it in stereo format, or you can have it here. And then the level for these 3 and 4 channels is right here. Okay, and if you want to connect a tape or a MP3 player or any music audio coming from your cell phone, laptop, or DVD, the audio, you have to connect it here on tape in. So you want to mix it with the main speakers. You want to hear that music, you press this push button, and the volume, the level is right here. Notice that you don't have an equalizer for this, okay? And because this is a small mixer. And the main volume, the main mix is right here. You will see the volumes right there in this bar graph displays. And you want to use headphones to listen to what you're getting on your outputs, on these outputs. Your headphones must be connected there. And the volume for the headphones is right here, because you don't want to damage your ears, okay? So those are the main functions of this mixer. In a moment I'll show you how to do a real connection, and I'll set it up. Thank you.